even know what you're talking about. See, if you allow this single golden opportunity to pass us by, what I will do to you? You regret being my daughter. Try it.
Mama, what are you even talking about? Are you trying to say that the man did not, he cannot recognize the person he saw?
He does not know. He cannot recognize. He does not know. You are the one he saw. So it must be. You are the one he saw.
Mama, it was not me that he met. I don't want any embarrassment though. I don't want embarrassment though, Mama.
Who is going to embarrass you? In the whole of his Seattle kindred, there's only one Wando family. In the whole of Wando family, there's only one Anyanwu. And Anyanwu has one daughter. Her name is Ola, which is you.
It's not me. Mama, it's not me.
The food is ready. Should I go and bring
it? Don't tell me.
Am I safe?
Yes, you are. Is this Anyanwu's compound?
I am Anyanwu.
Good. Give us seat. We come in peace.
You come in peace?
Yes.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
How's Anyanwu?
Yes.
Like you already know, we came from the king's palace. That's the one he sent us to you.
She sent you to me. What did I do?
Your daughter has found favor in the eyes of the prince.
Simple.
That's the one he instructed us to come and pick her so that we will have a word with her.
Are you sure you are not mistaken? Because I have only one daughter. And I don't think that Prince Odogwu has seen her before.
What is your daughter's name?
Edo.
Call her. Call her. She knows what we are saying.
Ola Edo, This man came from the palace and they said that Esin sent them to come and bring you to the palace. Have you seen the prince before?
Yes, Papa. I saw him one day on the road. One day when I wanted to go and buy something. So he told me that he's coming to see my parents.
But you didn't get to tell your father.
I told Mama.
You told your mother and she never told me. Well, go and prepare so that you follow them. I don't want the Esin to be waiting for you.
Whatever.
Go and dress up. Fast. Ndiche, please don't mind my manners. You know, here can't tell, but I don't know. Oh, we're caught at it. Let me look for cola for you. Because this is a good news.
You don't want to.
Let me get cola.
And Mama, I don't think I can do this, so I can't do this.
Shh! Why are you talking like this? You can. Just go maintain that you were the one he saw. He will succumb.
Mama, we do not look alike. I and Olama do not look alike.
See, he does not know anybody. Make him believe he saw you when he was in his good moods. And everybody will believe you. People will think his eyes deceived him. Just go.
What about if he disgraces me?
Mama, I can't see that talking.
Where is this girl?
She's coming on!
Be a mother to me. I have no one. No father. No mother. No brother, no sister. No uncle. When it is time for errand, I will be the first to be called upon. Now the queen wants a daughter-in-law. And they're doing everything to get me out of the way. My prince, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The love we found in each other was just not meant to be. I'm sorry.
You're welcome to the king's palace.
Thank you so much.
You shall be staying with me for the period of 7 days, so that I can acquaint you with some royal ethics and values. Oh, here he comes. You're welcome, my prince.
Who are you?
My prince, I'm Ola.
Which Ola?
Is she not the girl you were talking about?
No, Mom. They must have brought the wrong person.
Have you met with him before?
Yes, my queen. I met him on the road 4 days ago at Iyingodo Road.
You met who?
You, my prince.
She's lying, Mom. I don't know her.
You people should take me out of here. I don't like this kind of embarrassment though.
Ichie Mundo.
In this Siago kindred, there is only one Mando family. Inside that Mando family, there is only one Manyam. The man, Manyam, told us that he has just one daughter by name, Ola. Here is she, standing before us.
Did you hear that, Prince Odogwu?
Well, if she's the girl I met, then she must have been the wrong girl. I'm sorry, Mom. You must have to give me more time to continue.
Never! I don't have more time to wait for this. You have made your choice. She is your bride. The throne needs to be occupied. I have spoken. For her to buy all these things for you, I don't need to be told.
You know what? She even told me that they'll be coming for my wine carrying very, very soon. In fact, she said it's next week. I can't wait to, Mama.
You see, you are happy now. When I told you to go and see her, you refused. You are doing smesme. Now you are jumping up.
Mama, I didn't even tell you. You don't know what happened. If not for my persistence, like you told me, to back the elders. The prince ordered that she throw me out of the palace at once.
I told you that everybody will support you. See? I'm back. Okay, will you get out of here? Go and cook. And make sure that food is ready before my husband comes back. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Do you know that I refused to let her out of this house for 7 days now? She has been in this house. She has not stepped anywhere outside there. I was doing all the chores by myself.
Mama, Why now?
You want me to take chances? By chance, the prince will leave the palace and bump into her again.
No, Mama. The prince does not leave the palace anymore.
Whatever. I have wondered. And I don't want to see her legs anywhere near the road that leads to that palace. Anytime I see her around that area, she will leave this village and will never come back.
Mama, do you know that my heart grips me each time I remember the wickedness that we've afflicted on this girl? I think there is going to be a payback time.
Oh, of course. This is payback time. What do you have in your hands? You see, we are already paid. We are already paid. Open your legs! Yeah, push! Push once more.
My king, she made it.
Really?
Yes, she made it.
Oh, the gods be praised. The gods be praised. How is my son?
Your daughter is as healthy as the queen.
A girl?
Yes.
What kind of fate is this? My daughter having complications with delivery all the time. The worst is her inability to give birth to a male child.
You called me.
My wife went to the palace unprepared. And I know she'll be needing the items in the car. Please take it to her in the palace.
Palace?
What do you mean by that?
Nai, I have never trekked on the road leading to the palace before. Not to talk of entering inside the palace. Ha! God forbid, oh.
Olama. Nobody knows that you are not a freeborn. Just comport yourself when you get to the palace. Take it.
Nai, Biko, I'm not going, Biko.
Take this in. I'll rush to the palace and send it to my wife before night comes.
Let me not go there now. Let me go in tonight so that no one will see my face.
It's okay, my daughter. Stop crying. Stop crying. Eh?
After protected labor, I still gave birth to a girl, Mama.
What's wrong with giving birth to a girl? Thank God you even have children. See, you will have a boy at the appointed time.
Appointed time?
Yes.
When will appointed time come? Is it when the king must have thrown me out of the palace? Is that when the appointed time will come? Mama, I can't you get it? I need a son to succeed the king.
It's okay. Don't worry. Nobody will throw you out. Nobody, my daughter. Nobody. See, he's only drinking. He will drink away his pains very soon. Oh, it's okay.
Three daughters. After all the labor. Daughter, daughters! Nothing!
But it was just the guard at the gate. Didn't need to come to the palace. You should have given this to the guard at the palace instead of coming here. Are you stupid? Now leave. Leave. Don't let anybody see. Don't let anybody see. What kind of human being is this? God. Don't let the priest see you.
But my mother gave my sister to you in my place.
Your mother? I knew it. I said it. It's okay now. Just come, my love. Oh, my love, come here.
My prince, you're drunk.
Yeah.
You're drunk.
Is it not because of you I'm drunk? Is it not because of you? It's you. Just come. Come. Don't worry. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here.
she?
Who?
My Ola.
This is your Ola. Your one and only Ola. Which other Ola are you looking for again?
My Ola that came into this palace last night.
Nobody came into the...
Where is the girl that slept with me last night?
Oh, your highness. You were actually drunk. Nobody came into this palace yesterday. Nobody.
What are you... What are you people talking about?
Mama, I'm finished. Mama, I'm finished.
Shh. Fear.
Mama, can't you see that he will find out?
Find out how?
He will find out. Oh.
How is he going to find out? Is he a wizard? Did anybody come here?
Yes, now. Mama was...
Shut up your mouth. Nobody came in here. You are the only Olama here. No other Olama came in.
Hey. Mama, what about if he goes to the guards to find out?
I've taken care of that long time ago.
Which of you saw a young girl that came into this palace last night? Who was at the gate last night?
I was at the gate, my prince.
You mean you did not open the gate for any young lady last night?
No stranger entered this palace last night.
What is going on here? Get out! I am very sure of what I'm talking about, Mom.
How can you be sure? Did she fly into this place?
You see, I was drunk, I know, but I'm sure I made love to her last night. You know, she told me that her mom gave me her sister in her place. Yes, I can remember everything now. That's what she said.
You know what? You need a doctor. Yes, you need a doctor. This your dream girl is beginning to cost a lot for you.
Believe me, Mom. Believe me.
How can I believe you? How can I believe you? I made inquiries myself. And I was told that Mazi Anyanwu has only one daughter, Ola. So what other sister was she telling you about? Like I said, you need a doctor. Who told you to come to the palace?
It was not me, it was Nai. I refused to go, but Nai forced me.
Ola, Nai told you to go to the palace so you can see the prince? Eh? You want the prince to see you? So he can throw out my daughter from the palace, isn't it? Come back here! Come here! You are leaving this village today.
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I will not do it again.
Hey! Neko and Maya Bikon. It's my husband marrying both of us. Are you my mate? Eh? Leave my house now! Because I don't need you anymore. You leave.
Please, where do you want me to go to? I don't have any shelter. I don't have anybody. Please, I'm sorry.
Okay, you have made my house your permanent shelter. Did I adopt you? Eh? Leave my house. Go to the bush where animals like you stay. Go. I can see it's Sinai that is giving you the power to fight me back. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Go. ifisi kesomaga odigimma odimma chima
Anywhere around this village.
God, what kind of life is this? Why did you bring me into this world to suffer like this? God, what will you profit or gain from me suffering like this? The little glimpse of light that shone upon me has finally multiplied my sorrows. God, why? Why?
You must tell me where you sent that girl to.
I am not obliged to answer that question because you don't even know where I bought the girl from. You don't know where she came here or how she came into this place. She's not your business.
You are my wife. And anything that is under this roof is directly under my custody. And you must tell me where you sent that girl to without my consent. That girl is also my responsibility.
Huh?
Yes.
Hey, Nai. I'm going to go again. A girl I bought when you were still in active service in Sapele. It's not your responsibility. You have not told me what your mind is telling you about that girl. I'm beginning to look you with inner eyes.
Whatever you are thinking about it, you are free. But you must tell me why you sent out that poor, innocent girl to. And where you sent her to. You must tell me now. Where did you send her? Keep up with her.
Okay. No problem. Oga. I sent her back to a Eko family where I bought her from. That's where she is. Eko family. Back to Zenda.
Why?
I don't need her services anymore. Huh? Is it not me that bought her? Did I buy her for me to adopt her? She's just my slave girl. After I used her, I sent her back. Returned back to sender.
All the malicious treatments you've been meting out to that poor, innocent, helpless orphan. Hey, on the day of reckoning, don't call me.
Oh, no problem. Don't answer. Why should you even answer? Are you God? It's only God that is our answer.
Okay, man. Okay, man.
Don't go and use the last money we have to drink, oh. Don't go and use the last money we have to drink.
Ndewo. Please, can I help you?
Who are you?
My name is Ola.
Ola from where?
It's a long story. I was sold out at a tender age as a slave. I don't know my mother. I don't know my father. The woman who took me in Oduma Kingdom threw me out of her house and out of Oduma village. I slept in this bush last night. I don't have any house. I don't know anybody. Please, all I ask from you, my sister, is just shelter. Shelter over my head. Please, I will render any manner of service you want me to render. Please, I beg you. Please.
This is Isiago village. Here in Isiago, we don't harbor slaves and strangers. I will advise you go to Ozala community. It's 2 villages from here. They are known for harboring slaves. They can even assign you a portion of land to build. That if you're not a questionable character.
Please, where is Ozala community?
You see that road there? Take back the road that brought you to this place. Take it straight. By your left, you will cross the first and second rivers.
First and second river.
Agama kosaru wa monye obotwa kamsiweje odege malode mumma chibo uwa fofo uwa kwa ifisi kesamaga odege malode mumma chibo.
Are you finished?
Yes. Dada, thank you.
makosaro wa monye obotwa kamsiweje odege malode mumma chima uwa fofo uwa kwa ifisi kesomaga odege malode mumma chima.
Customer! Come on.
Have you filled them?
Yes, customer.
Okay, come on, have your lunch.
Thank you.
But come, instead of going to sleep in that hut, why not come and stay in my house? I have an extra room there. Just go and bring your things.
Customer, thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you. Hey, thank you.
No, madam. This is wickedness. A woman in this condition is not supposed to do this kind of job. Don't worry. Let me look out for another person.
Oga, Biko, if you're really concerned about my situation, then give me this job. Please, I beg you. I need money now more than ever. I need to buy babies for my coming child. I need to get a shelter before I put to bed. I need to pay my landlord. Please, Biko, I beg you. I beg you, please help me. I would... Oga, don't look at this pregnancy. I will work very well, Oga.
Yeah. Good. Don't worry. Let me go inside.
Ezemo, the eye that sees into the land of the dead. I have come to inquire from the gods why my daughter keeps having complication at delivery and why she has not been able to have a male child.
Afana aguna nuna
Olu na ini ilu olu na ini iri. Enya yoko banya nnekwu anu na ebe eja ye mon ijite ose. Oso tere jite obi ọ na-ajụ metu ya aka. Ijite ose ọkara ogbi. Ọha ogwute ọ na-ajụ unu ihe mere ọhụrụ funete odi. I am surprised you are asking this. The gods are very angry with you and your daughter for what you did to the poor slave.
You are shouting.
No, the gods are angry with you.
Can they be appeased with sacrifice?
No amount of sacrifice can appease them on this issue. Your daughter shall remain in her pains and misery until the rightful owner of that crown she is wearing takes back what belongs to her.
Olama is nowhere to be found, and there's no how she can come back to this kingdom. It's impossible.
The gods are wise, woman. The gods are wise, and so have they decreed, and so shall it be.
Ekweram, that's a lie. How can they decree it like that? No. How can the gods decree such a thing for me? But no. Anyway, my daughter is already the law. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. Nobody can take it away from her.
That is Eliza's bravery of you. How can a mere mortal challenge the decision of the gods?
The gods of your village are junior to the powers I command. I know. That's why I came. Your daughter, we shall break the yoke. Your daughter shall be free. She shall give the king a male child. Oh. I trust your powers.
She left, later returned in the middle of the night, in great pains, with blood all over her body. Before I could open my mouth to ask the problem, she gave up the ghost.
Hey!
Why do you call me Okorie?
Because you are a prince.
Am I a prince?
Yes, you are a prince by destiny.
What is destiny?
Destiny is that thing that makes you whatever you will become when you grow up, whether rich or poor.
What destiny are you talking about?
The one that is waiting for you at Unduma Kingdom.
But my destiny waits for no one. Your destiny can meet you anywhere. It doesn't matter where. My destiny can meet me in this village. I don't have to travel as far as Uduma for my destiny to meet with me.
My child, you know I love you so much. I cannot deceive you. I always want the best for you.
So Mama, what's best for me is to go to an unknown king, a total stranger, begging him to allow me walk in his palace. Mama, what if he throws me out?
He cannot throw you out.
Mama, you're very confident. You sound like you're very sure.
I am very sure. Very, very sure, my dear.
What makes you very sure?
Because that is where your destiny lies, my son.
What exactly do you want, young man?
I'm here to work, my lord. I'm ready to work as a cook, a guard, a laundryman, a vine dresser. I'm ready to do anything you want me to do, my lord.
And what makes you think that I don't already have these people in my service?
I know you do, my lord, but I'm desperate to work for you, my lord.
Are you better than all the young men from Uduma Kingdom who have no jobs?
No, my lord.
Then why would you travel all the way from Ozara community to Uduma Kingdom to get a job in this palace?
Because my mother told me my destiny is here, my lord.
Your mother?
Yes, my lord.
Who is your mother?
My mother is a slave woman in Ozara community. She's there as we speak.
Then, young man, go and tell your mother that I have no space in this palace for strangers or slaves. Get up and leave now.
Thank you, my lord.
By the way, what is your name?
My name is Opaleze, my lord.
Opaleze. Opaleze. I can understand better now. Your mother is apparently aware that we need a prince in this palace. Opaleze. Well, you're welcome, Opaleze. Welcome.
Thank you, my lord. But my lord, does that mean I'm getting a job?
Please forgive me, my king. It was not my idea. It was the idea of my mother. She lured me into it.
You deceived me all these years? Look at how you and your selfish mother have ruined my kingdom, my entire life. If I leave and come back, I do not want to see you anywhere near this palace. Otherwise, what I will do to you, only the heavens can tell.
My king, please forgive me. Please forgive me. It's not my fault. It is not my idea. It is the idea of my mother. Forgive me, my king.
Alright, I will leave. I will live in one piece, my king.
Yes. Leave. It will be all right. Stop crying. It will be all right. I believe we will have another son. Take it easy. It will be all right.
Greetings, my Highness.
Yes.
There is something I would like to tell you.
What is it?
I think it's of good news.
What is the good news?
Obele is still alive. He was not killed.
What?
He's with the priest.
Osagiri. Hey!
Let's help him down now.
Help you? What do you mean by that? What is going on?
I can't say I watch you. Kill an innocent man. Obele is innocent.
What are you saying, Mr. Man? That is not the point. The point is the king has given an order and you don't have the right to question the king's order.
Let's help him down now, please. Please, my brother, please. Please.
Hey!
Thank you.
Easy. Easy.
Thank you very much. This man is innocent. Sorry, you'll be okay. This man is innocent.
Okay, what do we now tell the king?
That he has been killed and buried.
Hey, God. What if somebody was watching us? Eh?
No one saw us.
Come to think of it, why are we doing this? Why are we doing this?
My dad, the destiny of this young man is on our head. My spirit tells me that one day the truth will be open. Obele is innocent.
My brother, how are we going to keep this thing away from the king and the entire people of Uduma Kingdom now?
I know of a priest who always take pilgrims to Jerusalem. He might be of help to us.
Take me to my mother.
Huh?
Ozara Kingdom.
Mr. Man, shut up. Shut up. Dead men don't go to see their people. They either go to hell or to heaven.
Let's help him now, please.
Huh?
Please, let's help him. Oh, thank you. Thank you, my brother. Help me now, please.
Huh.
Sorry, my brother. You'll be fine, eh? Come on. Help me now, please. Please. Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
You'll be fine, eh?
And where can we find the priest?
At St. Patrick's Church.
Hey! Gods of our land, I thank you. My son is still alive. Okpaneze is still alive.
Father, please, I beg you in the name of God, I must see my mother before we travel out of this country. Please.
Dead men don't see their people. Either they go to hell or heaven. You are dead, remember?
I see. So does that mean you're taking me to heaven?
Sister Mary! Sister Mary!
The young priest left for Jerusalem some months ago. And I'm sure the boy in question must have gone with him.
Father, is there no way we can get in touch with them? Phone calls, email, even internet chat. It's very, very important. The king needs him, please.
It's all right, I've heard you. I shall try my best.
Please do, huh? You know?
I will. Benedict.
Yes, Father.
Please get me the files for the last pre-marriage, okay?
Okay, Father.
Sit down.
Thank you for this.
Many years ago, we were together in bed like this. That was the evening that the seed was sown of the birth of our son, Obaleze. But when I woke up, I could not see you anymore. You vanished. I did everything possible to tell everybody that someone spent the night with me. But nobody believed me. Anyway, destiny has brought us back together again.
You know, the first time you spoke to me 30 years ago, you took my heart away.
Yeah.
I never believed that anybody could see any good thing in a dirty commoner and a slave like me. But the night we made love, it became clear to me that we were made for each other. But I was so afraid. So I disappeared.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain to you that I am not a freeborn, but a slave girl. So I decided to let fate take its full course. But today, I am happy.
Well, I was not cursed after all. I do indeed have a son, an heir, a prince, not just by name, but by real birth. A son, an heir, a prince.
Move! Come on, move it! Move! Move!
No. Wonders shall never end. I heard Olama is now staying in the palace.
I also heard she will soon be crowned the new Esin of Uduma Kingdom.
You see? You see why it's not good to be wicked.
How do you mean?
How do I mean?
Yes.
Was it not your wickedness? You wanted her out from this village by all means. Now she has left.
Eliza, it's now about me, not us. Was I the only person who planned it? I don't want to hear that thing again, no.
You and who? Please, don't just involve me in this matter at all. Yes, Olama is now 1,000,000 times better than you. You and your daughter will die in poverty.
Okay, Eliza, you are trying to exempt yourself. Is that what you're trying to do? It's you and your family that will die in poverty.
My family?
Yes, your family.
What has my family got to do in this?
What has my daughter got to do with this?
Oh yeah. Why you now?
I will not.
Get out of my shop.
Mampo.
Go. Get out of my shop.
I will not.
I say go.
I will not.
Why you go?
Amaka.
Why you go? Leave my shop.
I will not. I will not, Eliza.
Leave my shop.
I will not.
And if you call my family again,
I will not. If you call my daughter again, see what I will do to you. What is wrong with you?
Go. You said wicked woman.
Go.
Wicked woman.
You go.
As the Onowu of this community, this is my judgment. For two of you to fight each other in this peaceful community, you are fined 1 big goat, 7 tubers of yam.
Yes. Hey. Exactly.
No one in this community should talk to your husband, your children. They will not sell to you or buy from you until you pay all these things. And for you, for you to lie against an innocent woman, you are given extra fine of 1 big cow. Fine. You must pay it between now and 21 days. Or else you will be banished from this community. Your punishment is even small.
Please, my elders.
You made us send an innocent woman away from this community, which has never happened.
Okay. Where will I get money to buy all these items now?
You see?
Oh.
You should be grateful to your gods. You should be grateful to your gods. You deserve to be killed. You are evil. Shut up your mouth, I'm talking and you are crying.
Yeah, please sit down, everybody. Sit down. My elders, members of the royal household, I have brought you here today together for some specific reasons. In the first place, I want to thank God that my health has come back to me. Secondly, I want to thank God that peace has returned into the royal household. And finally, that Uduma Kingdom has cause to celebrate that we now have a queen of Uduma land. And what we have been searching for on the rooftop had been with us right on the ground floor. I have the pleasure to introduce to you the royal prince, Prince Okorie. We have a lot to celebrate. And in the next market day, I'd like each of you elders to ensure that the whole kingdom is represented. Every quarter, every village, every kindred, every family must assemble and bring their musicians and dancers to celebrate. All the young maids of the kingdom will come and escort a queen on a parade in the market. And all the young men in their various age grades will come and escort our prince on his parade around the ground. And we'll have a formal coronation and acceptance and reception of them. This is why I have called you. I want you to relax, eat, drink, and marry, and get prepared for the ceremony on the next market day.
Chief, as the youngest Ichie now, you start sharing. No, don't bother yourself. Let the young man come and do it. Come and share this thing so that we will enjoy ourselves. The Igwe has agreed that we should enjoy.
Yeah. Onatago.